This first unit is going to be all about computation, so we will get right after it. So this first one, we're looking at a solving question, and so we are trying to determine the value of m. So we're going to have 5m minus 6 equals 3. Add 6 to both sides, and we're going to be left with 5m is equal to 9. Divide by 5, divide by 5, and m is equal to 9 over 5. On the second one, this is a distribution question. We're trying to simplify the expression. So here we're going to multiply 4x times each term inside the parentheses. And so we're going to multiply 4 times 3 to get 12. X times x, we're going to add our exponents. That's going to be x to the 4th. 4 times x is going to be plus 4x. We bump up the power squared. So it's looking like our only answer is going to be answer B. And then 4 times negative 8 is going to be 32. And so that answer should be answer B. For the practice problems, here we're looking at multiplying x minus 2y times x plus 2y. I'd like to use a Punnett square for this question. So we're going to take our biology Punnett square, x minus 2y and x plus 2y. Multiply each of the pieces. This is going to give us x squared minus 2xy. X times 2xy is going to give us 2xy. Positive and negative, those are going to offset as a zero pair, and a negative 2 times positive 2 is going to be negative 4. Y times y is y squared. Leaves our answer as x squared minus 4y squared. On this next question, if we're going to have an ordered pair be the solution, that means A is the value 4. So we have a value of 4. B has a value of negative 5. And you would have to sub each of those values into each of these questions. So B becomes negative 5, A becomes 4, and you would simplify to determine which is the correct response. On the final question, it's asking us which of these is equivalent to. So just like on question 1, this is going to be a distribution question. We're going to multiply out. That's going to give us 5x plus 30 plus 5x plus 5. Now, we could combine like terms, and you're going to see that this is 10x plus 35. However, when we start looking at our answer choices, I don't see 10x plus 35. Don't see 10x plus 35. Here I see 10x, but that's plus 30, and so it's got to be answer choice A. There you go. Now you'll get to your practice in Canvas.